I think that China will reach for sure this target. If you look back on what the recent history of economic history of China, I'm sure it will reach. Okay, GDP is important because you can have a picture of overall Chinese economy, but there are other issues I believe is important. One of the things is that China will invest a lot in innovation and R&D, research and development. Everybody and throughout the world can see how China has reached as innovation and technological development. Everywhere, we see now everywhere. China is seeing very clearly what is the future and where they want to reach, where they want to go.